Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. Today, Aries, the universe is on your side, making it the perfect day for adventures. Luck is smiling on you, and everything you touch seems to turn to gold. If you're considering investments, now is an opportune time to act. Keep your heart open, as love might just find you when you least expect it. However, stay vigilant about your health. You're susceptible to seasonal ailments like coughs and colds. Health and wellness today. Your emotions might feel heightened today, leaving you vulnerable to emotional upheavals. Take a moment to pause and reflect before making decisions driven by outbursts. Balance your emotional well-being by engaging in activities you enjoy. A little self-pampering can go a long way in restoring your inner equilibrium. Love and relationship today. Your partner has been your rock, providing unwavering support during tough times. However, misunderstandings may be creating a rift between you two. Don't let it depend further. Communication and understanding are key. Take proactive steps to mend the gap before it escalates into something irreparable. Career and money today. An office romance might be tempting, but remember that professionalism comes first. Such relationships can create challenges and misunderstandings in the workplace. Reflect on whether your feelings are genuine or fleeting. Keep your focus on work and trust that what's meant to happen will find its way. Taurus horoscope today. Your day may be marked by mood swings, but luck is on your side, Taurus. While you're likely to see material gains, be cautious not to rely too heavily on fortune. Overconfidence could lead to insufficient preparation for important projects. Financial opportunities abound, but exercise restraint. This streak of good luck may not last forever. Health and wellness today. Now is the time to prioritize self-care and pay attention to your health. While you've often relied on home remedies, it's time to seek professional medical advice for a more thorough resolution of persistent issues. Small symptoms ignored today might lead to complications later. Pamper yourself and protect your well-being. Love and relationship today. Take it slow in your romantic pursuits. You've been feeling every emotion intensely, but today, ease into the rhythm of traditional romance. Simple and thoughtful gestures will leave a lasting impact. Replace grand displays of passion with meaningful moments of connection, as these will strengthen your relationship. Career and money today. Your resourcefulness shines as you find a way to make money doing what you truly love. For some, this may involve a leap of faith, such as leaving a steady job to pursue a career in the arts or a passion project. While careful planning is crucial, trusting your instincts can lead to rewarding outcomes. Gemini horoscope today. Today is a day for introspection, Gemini. Even if everything seems to be working out fine, you might feel an unexplainable sense of unrest. The best way to address this is through quiet self-reflection. Take time to understand yourself better and uncover what's causing this discontent. Once you identify the root cause, you'll find effective ways to resolve it. Health and wellness today. Flexibility is essential, yet today you might find yourself unusually rigid in your thoughts and actions. This stubbornness could lead to tensions at home and work. To restore harmony, practice keeping an open mind and consider the advice of others. A little adaptability can go a long way in easing unnecessary stress. Love and relationship today. You've been somewhat distant in your relationships lately, but it's time to bridge the gap. Your partner has been a steadfast source of support during challenging times, yet you might not be reciprocating as much as you could. Avoid focusing on flaws, take notice of their efforts to grow and improve. Small gestures of appreciation can strengthen your bond. Career and money today. A short but highly profitable opportunity could come your way today. Investing in construction or real estate may yield substantial benefits if you act promptly. Avoid procrastination, as delays might cost you this golden chance. Additionally, property-related loans are likely to be approved, setting the stage for financial progress. Cancer horoscope today. Today, Cancer, you're advised to stay courteous and respectful of others' beliefs. You're on the path to success, but it's essential to take the necessary precautions along the way. Life's hurdles are part of the journey. Embrace them with vigor and enthusiasm rather than resistance. Your determination will guide you to overcome any obstacles. Health and wellness today. Minor health concerns may arise today, particularly related to your digestive system. Avoid junk food to minimize the risk of stomach ailments. Remember, stress is not just a result of external pressures, it's also influenced by your diet. Consider joining a health or fitness class today for long-term physical and mental benefits. Love and relationship today. Your emotions are running high today, and you may meet someone who mirrors your intensity. However, this connection may not be beneficial in the long run. It could lead to disappointment. Seek relationships with those who share a balanced perspective and mutual respect. Interestingly, these connections might also offer opportunities for future business collaborations. Career and money today. Your career path may feel confusing or misaligned with your plans. Instead of dwelling on this, take proactive steps to regain control. Start fresh by creating a well-crafted resume and presenting it to the right people. Take charge of your career trajectory rather than allowing random circumstances to dictate your direction. Leo horoscope today. Today is decision time, Leo. The issues you've been worrying about over the past week need resolution, and while the decision may seem tough at first, trust your heart, it will guide you in the right direction. Focus on what you truly want rather than what you feel obligated to do. Following your heart will set you on a path that benefits you in the long run. Health and wellness today. Be proactive about your health today, as minor issues could escalate if ignored. Seek professional consultation instead of relying solely on home remedies to ensure proper care. Additionally, make small but significant changes to your diet to maintain your overall well-being. Taking these steps now will save you from larger problems in the future. Love and relationship today. Your relationship is entering a new phase of clarity and harmony. Misunderstandings that clouded your bond are now clearing away, allowing you and your partner to see each other in a renewed light. This newfound understanding will strengthen your love, bringing optimism and joy into your relationship. Career and money today. An influential person may provide the support you've been seeking in your professional life. Use this opportunity to showcase your skills and impress them through your work. This could set the stage for a promotion or a salary hike. Stay focused on your tasks and avoid discussing these prospects with colleagues. Let your work speak for itself. Virgo horoscope today. The planetary alignments are creating a serene environment for reflection today, Virgo. You may realize that your past reactions to certain situations were harsher than necessary. This is the perfect time to offer a second chance to yourself and those around you. Extend an olive branch, and you'll find yourself in a much happier and harmonious state of mind. Health and wellness today. Today, someone close to you may require your care and attention due to a minor illness. Though it might feel demanding, your efforts will lead to a rewarding outcome. At the same time, take precautions to avoid minor infections. Ignoring small health issues, whether for yourself or others, could lead to complications later. Prioritize preventive care for overall well-being. Love and relationship today. You're naturally passionate and romantic, Virgo, and your relationship has been vibrant and intense. However, today is a day to honor the need for personal space within your bond. Giving each other breathing room will help your relationship grow stronger and healthier. Spend time with friends and family. They value your presence and care as much as your partner does. Career and money today. Distractions at work may be lowering your productivity, possibly due to an office romance or infatuation. While the emotions are understandable, it's crucial to maintain focus on your tasks. Avoid actions that might irritate your colleagues. Keep your approach light. If it's meant to happen, it will. For now, channel your energy into your duties and let your work speak for itself. Libra horoscope today. Someone who has been a quiet presence in your life may suddenly become incredibly significant, Libra. This connection isn't just romantic, it's a meeting of minds and spirits that could leave you feeling inspired and introspective. Take your time to understand and embrace this bond because this person is here to stay and may play a pivotal role in your journey. Health and wellness today. Your health focus is on motivation and self-discipline today. Consider joining online groups or communities that inspire you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If indulgent eating tempts you, balance it with a rigorous workout plan to shed the calories. Wrap up the day with a relaxation routine to rejuvenate your mind and body. Love and relationship today. Patience is the key in your relationship today. Minor disagreements or trivial issues could escalate if not handled wisely. Avoid picking on small matters and focus on maintaining peace. Sometimes, silence can be more effective than words. Trust in the strength of your relationship. This challenging phase will pass, leaving your bond stronger. Career and money today. If you've lent money in the past, expect its return today, which could improve your financial situation. Additionally, an old acquaintance may resurface and bring exciting opportunities to boost your income or offer insights into a lucrative career move. Keep an open mind. This could mark a significant shift in your professional path. Scorpio horoscope today. Take a realistic approach to your current situation, especially regarding finances, Scorpio. While spending can be enjoyable, it's time to recognize its impact on your family's budget. Open communication and understanding the perspectives of your loved ones will help you regain balance and create a more stable financial outlook. Health and wellness today. Minor injuries or allergic reactions could be a concern today, so take extra precautions. While the day may seem uneventful, small accidents are on the cards, so stay alert. A visit to a health center might also be on your agenda. Additionally, consider implementing long overdue lifestyle changes to enhance your overall well-being. Love and relationship today. Collaboration with your partner brings both personal and professional success. Your shared understanding of each other's differences strengthens your bond and sets the foundation for joint ventures in love and business. Keep nurturing this mutual respect, and your relationship will continue to thrive. Career and money today. Your peaceful mindset today allows you to focus sharply on your work. This is a great day for negotiating and securing major business deals. However, a lack of support from superiors may cause minor delays. Use your persuasive skills to bring them on board, paving the way for enhanced reputation and financial rewards. Sagittarius horoscope today. Today may bring heightened emotions from someone close to you, and the reason might stem from your actions. Be cautious of jumping to conclusions, as impulsive decisions could lead to misunderstandings. Exercise patience and allow situations to naturally unfold. Sometimes, waiting for clarity is the best way forward. Health and wellness today. Your health is in great shape, but an old ailment related to your head or nervous system could resurface. Preventative measures, like staying warm and avoiding triggers, will be key to maintaining your well-being. If you've been working on weight loss or a wellness routine, today you'll see encouraging results that motivate you to stay consistent. Love and relationship today. A significant conflict might arise, affecting both your love life and career. Avoid letting emotions dictate your reactions, especially with your partner. Instead, assess the situation with a clear and impartial mind. Thoughtful responses will guide you toward making decisions that strengthen your relationship rather than weaken it. Career and money today. Your meticulous work ethic and dedication are earning you recognition from superiors. Additional responsibilities might come your way, setting the stage for career advancements and financial growth. Stay detail-oriented and focused to make the most of these new opportunities. Capricorn horoscope today. Today brings fantastic news that will brighten your spirits. Your hard work on a significant project finally pays off, bringing satisfaction and success. Socializing with colleagues is on the cards, and an enjoyable outing may be in store. Additionally, you might make a thoughtful financial decision that promises long-term benefits. A visit to a holy place can add a serene touch to your day. Health and wellness today. Your health requires as much attention as your love for a luxurious lifestyle. Start embracing wellness as a vital part of your routine. Surround yourself with fitness-minded individuals who inspire you to adopt healthier habits. Gradually, you'll find joy in this transformation, creating a positive impact on all aspects of your life. Love and relationship today. It's time to take a closer look at your relationship dynamics. If you feel your efforts are not reciprocated, set healthy boundaries to balance expectations. By establishing mutual respect and limits, you will strengthen your bond and pave the way for a fulfilling partnership that works for both of you. Career and money today. Your agility, confidence, and proactive approach make today an excellent time for career advancements. If attending an interview, pay attention to your body language for the best impression. Consider incorporating white into your attire for luck and positivity. Financially, it's a good day to plan property investments and organize future goals. Aquarius horoscope today. Today promises a day full of unexpected twists and turns. Events you didn't see coming are likely to unfold, and it's essential to stay alert and receptive to the direction the planetary energies are guiding you. Being flexible and discerning today could have a revolutionary impact on your life, setting you on a path of remarkable change. Health and wellness today. Take extra care when it comes to your health today. Stomach issues could arise, and you must be cautious about the water and fluids you consume, as waterborne diseases may be a concern. It's best to avoid unhygienic food and keep a close eye on any potential skin issues, like acne, which will clear up with proper care. Prioritize hygiene and preventive measures for a healthier day. Love and relationship today. In relationships, the key today is understanding and tolerance. You may have idealized your partner, but this can make it difficult to overlook or forgive their mistakes. Avoid being too rigid in your expectations, as this can create unnecessary tension. For a successful relationship, embrace empathy and work towards fostering a compassionate connection. Career and money today. Financial luck is on your side today. You may receive money that you lent out in the past, or perhaps see gains from unexpected sources like gambling or a financial scheme. If you're a student, this is an excellent time for exams and tests, as results will be favorable. Stay open to financial opportunities and trust your instincts. Pisces horoscope today. Today, you may find yourself in a deeply emotional state where small triggers could evoke feelings of sadness or nostalgia. You may feel a desire to reconnect with an old friend or let go of past grudges by extending an olive branch to resolve current issues. The key today is to listen to your emotions and take steps to heal past wounds while finding peace within yourself. Health and wellness today. Your skin might feel dry and dull today, signaling that you've been neglecting your health. The weather change may be a factor, but internal factors also contribute. It's time to pamper your skin by increasing your intake of vitamin C and E, staying hydrated by drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water, and consuming more fresh fruits. Adding exercise to your daily routine will also help you feel rejuvenated inside and out. Love and relationship today. Romantic relationships may face some challenges today. It's crucial to keep a firm grip on your temper, as reacting emotionally won't resolve the situation. Take a step back and reflect on the love and affection you have for your partner, which may be buried under stress. Finding the right balance between self-respect and commitment to your partner is essential now, as it will guide you toward a more harmonious relationship. Career and money today. Indecision is your key challenge today, particularly concerning finances. Conflicting planetary influences are pulling you in different directions, making it hard to make firm decisions. You may even find yourself in a moment of expensive shopping indecisiveness or second-guessing investment choices. This uncertainty may frustrate those around you, so take a moment to weigh your options before making any major financial moves. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.